Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Want to get more out of Google Docs for work or school? Sign up for a free Google Workspace trial. You can create, view, and edit Google documents, as well as Microsoft Word files, with the Google Docs app for Android.
Make your mark, take our lead.
There's no question that Microsoft Word has many more features than Google Docs. So, if you're looking to do serious formatting and layout work, then Microsoft Word is the app for you. But, if you're doing only basic word processing, then Google Docs may be all you need.
Let's help you make your mark.
Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides documents may not have an option for individual password protection, but they are still protected on Google's servers. Unless you've shared them, other users can't see your files without your Google account username and password.
Take our lead.
Yes, you can download Google Docs for PC so that you can access all the files offline or without internet connection. In fact, Google Docs comes as a bundle with Google Drive for Windows and Mac computers.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.